Dear student of class 11th, today I will start the exercise trigonometry. It is very interesting exercise, however it consists many formulas. Earlier you have studied then the value, that is the sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Clear? These value you know very well. About the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Clear? And in class 11th I just explained at that way how you will get this value. You will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then divide all 4 and under root and then simplify, then you will get the value. Most of the time maybe you have learned all the things, because in the class 11th you are the student of mathematics, not biology. So the expectations from you that you know very well about these values. Okay, so sine 0 degree, that is equal to 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon under root 2, sine 60 degree under root 3 upon 2, sine 90 degree 1. Clear? Cos 1 under root 3 upon 2, 1 over under root 2, 1 over 2 and 0. Tan 0 degree, then 1 over under root 3, 1 under root 3 and not defined. Click cot value right here, not defined, then under root 3, 1 over under root 3 and 0. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, so 1, 2 over under root 3, under root 2, 2 and 0 means not defined. So not defined, then 2 under root 2, 2 over under root 3 and 1. This was the very important value related to trigonometry, and already you have studied the one formula. This formula is based when a triangle is right angle triangle and one is angle, let it is theta. So against of the theta is, that is the perpendicular, and this is the base, and opposite side of the 90 degree angle is known as the hypotenuse. So you know very well the sine theta perpendicular, Pandit Badri Prasad, Hari Hari Bol and Sona Chandi Tol. Sine belong to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos belong to base upon hypotenuse and tan belong to perpendicular upon base, and all these value you know very well. Again I am writing here sine theta is reciprocal of 1 upon cosec theta. The sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is 1 over sec theta and its value is base upon hypotenuse, just check here. Tan theta reciprocal of cot theta is also equal to sine theta over cos theta, and its value is tan is perpendicular upon base. Check here, tan perpendicular upon base. And vice versa. Vice versa means cosec theta is 1 over sine theta, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, cos theta equal to, sec theta equal to 1 over cos theta, hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta equal to 1 over tan theta, or you can say cos theta upon sine theta, yani base upon perpendicular. Okay, so all the things already you have studied in the class 11th, and now also with this you have studied the identity, and only 3 identities you have studied at that time. The first one was the sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. And in the class 11th, what is the difference between the class 10th and 11th? The difference is that this is the angle. So whenever you are saying sine square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2, that is will also equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta by 2, that is sec square theta by 2. Means if you are taking the theta by 2, theta by 3, theta by 4, so you can take in this ways. Clear? And second thing, very important in your chapter number 1, it is belong to the conversion of radian into degree and degree into radian. So what is the meaning of this? So first of all, pause the video and note down all these things. This is the notes of your class, so you must note down in your classwork copy.